friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Ideal Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build an accordion complete project in React.js, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you enjoying my previous project of React.js. So let's start. Now over here you can see I've just built this accordion complete project in React.js. So in this project you can see there is a background color of purple, and over here you can see there is a box which we are getting of white color, but it is not having any of the box shadow like in the previous project we are having. But in this you can see that in this which we have just made over here, the width of like height of the which we are getting a width, you can see that these boxes are having a box shadow over here which is just light enough. It is not any of the dark enough box shadow which we are getting on the background. You can see first of all there is written like question and answer about login, and over here you can see there is written do I have to allow the use of cookies, and if I just press this plus sign you can see that all the information is coming, but it is a random text. It is not just good information. If I just press this minus sign, now it has been gone. Okay, if I press again like that, it will be just shown you all the information, means all the text which we are writing. Again pressed, you can see again the all the things are coming like we want. So just press again this minus sign, you can see now it has gone, and if you press over here, so again it is coming, press minus, like that you can do. And if I press this one, and again there is coming like whose birth number can I use, just again press that, again plus that sign, and you can see there is another line written like when do I receive a passport ordered by letter. So like that you can do. So we will be just building that with our React.js, and I will be just opening my text editor for building that, which is called Visual Studio Code. So just open that over here, and you have to just go to file. Okay, so I've just created a folder of setup. So for creating that, like I've telling you have to go to terminal and write over here npx create, write over here react app. So now our React app name is like over here, which is called accordion project. So I'll be writing accordion, and over here I'll be writing complete. So I'll be writing accordion complete, and you have to press enter. Then your file will be created, your app will be created. Then you have to just work with that. And over here when it will be just created, so it will be having a folder of like setup. It will be having a folder of setup, this final folder you have to just left that, and over here you will be getting a folder of setup and public, then src, and over here all the thing which I am getting, you will be also getting these all things. And you have to just take these all files over here. You have to press this file first of all, and we will be just working first of all with this file, because these all files we have to just link that with this app.js over here, and then we will be linking with question.js all the file which we are creating. So when you've done that, you have to just come underneath again, and over here I will be just write over here first of all like write rfce, press enter, or you can also press tab over here because it is a shortcut key for writing that. Press backspace over here also. Now just come underneath the div over here, and I will be writing a h1. So write over here h1 tag, then you have to write like question. So I'll be writing question and answer about. Okay, so write over here like that, and just write over here about cookies. So if I write like that, and if I just hit save over here, okay, so over here you will be thinking like what is this cookies. Okay, so this cookies mean like if you are login or sign up anything, so it is getting a like when you have all the form, when you have just filled the form of like sign up and login, you is getting a mean checkbox which it will be just telling you are confirmed with that or you have accept that, and in that we will be just calling that cookies. So because of that these cookies are coming, and it is also a question over here for many people like what is this. So because of that I've just written like question and answer about cookies over here. So when you've done that, you have to do one thing. You have to just, I will be zooming in, and I will be just coming underneath again, and I will be creating another file. So right over here like first of all write another div, because this div should be of our background of box which we have just created. So right over here class name, then I will be writing box, close that, then copy this div. Okay, so just copy this div from here, and just you have to do one thing, erase that and just paste that over here. And when you've done that, you have to do like copy this close div, control Z, copy, then you have to come over here again, paste that, hit save over here now again. And when you have done that, all you have to just do one thing, you have to hit save over here, then you have to go to your file which we have created, index.css file over here, then you have to come underneath again, then you have to create another file, just right over here like you have created a class of. So I will be just gone to my tag which is called app.js. Okay, so it is just given a name of box. Okay, so I'll be just writing dot box over here, which is my class, and now over here I'll be writing curly brackets, then come over here, and now I will be writing over here like background first of all, which should be white, because now it is not a background color of our page. It is a background color of box which we are creating because this is a class. So I'll be writing this sign, then I'll be writing a background of purple. So right over here like erase that and write a purple, or you can also write background color if you want, but I will be writing background because it's really simple to write. So now over here you have to come and I will be erasing that. Then you have to create a class. Like I have not created that, but I am just writing first of all. So when I will just create it, it will be just automatically comes all the thing which we are writing over here in our CSS. So I will be just writing over here first of all box shadow. So I'll be writing a box shadow of like 0 0, and I will be writing 2 pixel because like I've told you I don't need any of the dark box shadow in that. And I'll be writing over here like box background, and I'll be giving the background of white also like previously I've given. And I will be doing one thing, I will be writing this semicolon over here. Then you have to do like come over here and now right over here background color also should be white. So I'll be defining that. Now when you've done that, you have to do like you have to close that and now write white over here. You have to hit save again, and we have done these all things. So now when you've done that all, you have to do one thing, come over here now again, and I will be creating another file. So right over here like width, I want my width should be just longer over here, so I'll be just giving that 100%, and I will be just saving that. Go to your index.js. So like I've told you, you have to don't care about that because in this file you have to do nothing. You have to just go to your file which is we have created question.js. Then you have to come over here again and I'll be creating rfce, press enter. Then when you've done that, you have to come over here now again and I will be creating another thing which is called react dot question. Then right over here like component dot and right over here console. So when you've done that, you have to come over here and now right over here like question dot component. Okay, so just come over here again and I'll be writing component. So write like that. Then right over here in these strings, like you can write anything. If I write question, so it is perfect. Now just write console.log and I will be defining a question tag over here. So I'll be writing question. So just close that by writing this tag. So just come over here again and I will be writing console dot right over here like react dot return. So when you've done that, you have to come over here again and I will be creating another file which is called question.console. So just when you've done that, just I will be some of them zooming in. So just come over here now and I will be writing another thing which is called console.log, because now I will be defining like this return tag. So I'll be writing over here console.log, then right over here return. So I'll be writing return.question. So when you've done that, you have to just come over here again and I will be writing now return equal, then right over here like question dot, and when you've done that, right over here like component tag. Just come over here again and I will be creating a file which is called question, because it is a question which we are defining. So when you've done that all, you have to do one thing, you have to hit save over here again, and now we have done till over here. So now when you've done that, you have to erase this export default question again, because now we have just written that 2 times. So I will be just erasing that. Now over here you have to just close this all file which we have created. Okay, so just close that by writing this tag. Now I'll be just erasing from here, because now from here I will be just writing. So now it is good. So when you've done that, you have to do like come over here again and I'll be just erasing that. Hit save over here, go to your index.css file, go down enough again, and you have to go to above, some of the above, and just come over here now and go to your file which question.js. Then you have to write over here the class name. So I'll be writing a class name of background which I have just created. So I'll be creating a class name and right over here the class name should be background. Then when you've done that, you have to do one thing, you have to hit save again. Then when you've done that, you have to go to your index.css file again, then right over here dot background, right again, which is called like right over here first of all background color. So I'll be writing a background color which should be like, erase that now, because now I'll be writing first of all background size which should be cover. Okay, so now I'll be defining a background position also like previously we have defined, because in that I have to also define my things like box. So because of box I have to define my background position and everything. So right over here like background position x again. So I'll be writing background position dash x, which should be in center. Then right over here like background, and I'll be writing over here like background clip, which should be like content box. Then right over here background origin. So I'll be writing the background origin, which should be like content box again. Then right over here like background, and I'll be writing a background blend mode, so we should be of I want of color burn. So I'll be writing color burn. So when you've done that, you have to do one thing, come over here now and I will be writing a background which should be of repeat, and I want it to repeat. So I'll be writing repeat. So when you've done that, you have to come over here again and I will be writing background. Then right over here another thing, just erase that, and right over here background, and we have defined these all. So come over here and write background dash y, which should be in center. So when you've done that, all you have to do one thing, you have to hit save now. And now we have defined these all things in our class of background which we have created over here. I will be just doing one thing, I'll be hitting save, and if I show you in Google Chrome, it will be just looking really cool. So go to Google Chrome again. So you can see that we are getting all the thing which we want. Hit refresh, so you can see that. And over here we are getting a background of like purple color, and the box we are also getting a in white color, but we are not getting any of the box shadow. But in this box which we have getting a width of many enough over here, and it is just having a box shadow over here. You can see every box are having box shadow. You can see there's certain question and answer about login which we have created. Then if I just write over here, do I have to allow the use of cookies? If I press, you can see that we are getting all the information of that, and it is coming really quickly. Okay, you can see that it is just popping up over here. And if I just press this over here again, you can see again the paragraph is coming off like how do I change my page password. Okay, so you can see like that. And if I just press again what is my bank ID, you can see again the paragraph is coming of my what is my bank ID. Press that minus, so it will be just gone enough. So if I press like whose birth number can I use, press that, you can see we are getting again information of that. Press over here, and now if I just press this, when do I receive a password ordered by letter, you can see again the paragraph this coming over here. You can see that. So like that you can build your own accordion complete project in React.js. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you are enjoying our previous project of React.js. So you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you'll be a good programmer of React.js also like you are of Python, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I will be just meeting you in next project. So for today, goodbye.